How to remove duplicate photos on iPhone. Let's get started. Open your Photos app. Here we go. Now scroll all the way down. Over here you will find different sections. Under Utilities, you can find the option of duplicates. If you have any duplicate photos in your device, you will find this section for duplicates. Now open this option. With that, you will be able to find all the duplicate photos in your device. Duplicates are classified both as exact copies that may have different metadata, as well as photos that appear to be same but may have unique resolutions, file formats, or other slight differences. You can merge it. For that, tap on the option of Select. Tap on the option Select All. Now at the bottom, you will find the option of Merge. Tap on it. The selected items are exact copies that may have different metadata. Merging will keep one version of each duplicate set that combines relevant data and move the rest to recent or deleted. So tap on the option of Merge. And with that, you have just removed duplicates from your device. This is how you can easily remove duplicates photos on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.